We are about to hit the bay and do some kayak fishing for some trout, redfish, whatever bites, man. We are gonna see what is happening out there. The water looks decent, the currents are real strong, so we are gonna see what we can get on to. We're gonna get these kayaks in the water and I'll get right back with you in a minute. Oh, and today I got my main man with me, Pacey. He's going with me, so we're gonna go have a blast, man. We'll get back at you after we get everything in the water. Pop along some of these docks, man. You can see some of the damage on them from where the last Hurricane Michael came through here, and just, man, wasn't too bad. God bless all those people in Panama City. They are right up the road from us, literally right up the road from us. And we didn't get hit like that, so. Got a nice overcast. And we are headed down some of these canals. I'm gonna fish some of these little banks and docks and whatever other kind of structure we can find. We're gonna be using some sand shrimp, some Miradine lures, and shoot, I brought some shrimp too, just in case. Probably won't use it, but I just like having something stinky with me. So kayak fishing is awesome, man. I like being close to the water. A lot of people might not feel that way, but I do like being close to the water. So basically what we're gonna do also is we're just gonna kind of get ourselves positioned up in the center of this thing. The current's pretty much pushing this way down the canal. So we're gonna kind of just drift and start chunking these sand and shrimp out. A lot of the structure around those boats, all kinds of stuff. So we are gonna go ahead and start getting to it. All right, moving on down the canal. I changed my bait out to the Strike King trout lure. And it catches anything really. Redfish, trout, whatever. It's got a little spinner on it. Something shiny. Let's see if we can't get something to hit it. All right, let's get this bugger going. My tip was all tangled up. Oh, got one. Got one, guys. Got one on, guys. Oh, look at that, everybody. A bass, a giant bass. Look at this, guys. Look at this, going down these canals. Got us a big old bass. My main man. All right, everybody, a bass in the canal. How about that? There's been so much fresh water pushing out that's basically what's going on. Yeah, it done pushed way out. So look at that guy. Pretty awesome, huh? Not bad for the first one. I wouldn't call it a trout, but I told you pretty much anything will bite these lures. Put a little shine on it and you get a bass. I didn't bring any scales with me, but we're not into keeping bass, so we're gonna let this guy go. Get him back in the water. Nice bass, everybody. Let's keep going. Well, where there is one, there is more. So that is get it. Oh, got another one, guys. Got another one right off this dock, right in front of me. Another bass. Look at that beautiful guy. We are catching them right here. He bit me right up. We'll go ahead and get him in the boat and get him off. All right, everybody, bass number 2. Pretty awesome. Was not expecting to catch bass today, but we will take it.
You talked about it when Brian.
Pretty awesome, huh, guys? Beautiful fish. Let's get him back in the water. I mean, he bit it. They're biting it on response. I've been twitching it. And they are biting it on the twitch. I see him down there boiling. We got bass patrolling the canals today. This is pretty cool, everybody. This is pretty cool. This does not happen a lot, but it is today. So that is pretty cool. We're gonna keep on pedaling right by these docks. Got one. Got another one, guys. On the way out, I knew there'd be something hanging around these docks. He's not a giant, but he's a bass. Slowly, thank you. Got another one, everybody. Another little largemouth bass. They are what's biting, apparently. So, get this bait out of them. All right. Not exactly a big one, but he'll do. Go ahead and get this guy back in the water. We have definitely moved up onto this boat dock. We're just gonna push ourselves right back off. Don't paddle. Move real slow through here, bud. You hear that? I let it drop. And he hit it. Another one. What's up, everybody? It's been a long day fishing. We are back at the house. We got the kayaks unloaded. It has been a nuts day. We didn't catch a whole bunch of fish, but we caught some bass in brackish water. Bass in brackish water. Now, I'm sure that's happened before, but I mean, it's rare for me anyway. I've never caught a bass in brackish water, but it was a blast. Me and my son Pacey, we had a good time today, guys. And I can't wait for you guys to come on our other adventures with us. We got a lot going on. We're going deep sea fishing, diving, a whole bunch of other things that I can't wait for you guys to enjoy with us. Y'all come along for the ride. Like, click the notification bell, and subscribe, guys, and we'll be back with another video. And until the next adventure, we'll see you later.